When do you think about insurance for major renovation projects? At the planning stage? When the contract is issued? When the work starts? Or when something goes wrong? For those planning renovation works, knowing which is the right insurance product can be a real problem. Most normal insurance policies don't cover these projects. Things can go wrong during renovation works, and therefore more specialist insurance is needed. Having inadequate insurance can lead to liability disputes and many other serious problems. Specialist renovation insurance covers these grey areas and ensures the burden is shared should things go wrong. Renovation insurance is widely used, covering the existing structure during building works and protecting the works as they progress. Perfect for homeowners, architects, contractors, businesses and the public sector, this comprehensive cover is a must for protecting your renovation project regardless of size or scale. At Hard to Insure, we help you find unusual insurance products, making sure wherever possible you get the specialist cover you need. To make sure your renovation project is properly protected, contact our team on 01733 202 571.